Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of gender studies. In this video, our topic is status of gender studies in Pakistan. Let's start this lecture now. First of all, understanding of the topic. There could be a confusion in understanding this topic which can lead you totally in wrong direction. So I would say that concentrate on wording of topic first to understand that what exactly the demand of this topic. The topic is status of gender studies in Pakistan, which means that this topic demands us to write about the status of the subject gender studies. It is not about the status of different genders in Pakistan. So some people get confused and often go for the status of women or other genders in Pakistan. Keep in mind that under this topic we should go through the status of the subject gender studies in Pakistan, that how this subject evolved in Pakistan, how it became part of our academia, how it flourished, and what is its current status in the country. Now we will move forward to study the status of gender studies in Pakistan. Start of gender studies in Pakistan. Gender studies was started in Pakistan in 1989. The government of Pakistan had devised the Women Development Division, commonly known as WDD, which gave a 5 years plan in 1989. In this plan, it was said that gender studies will be made a proper subject in academia so that women could be made more visible. This plan was also focused at creating an alternative concept regarding active participation of women in national development. So the 5 years plan given by the Women Development Division became the foundation of the gender studies in Pakistan. Curriculum Revision Committee (CRC). Women Development Division gave the 5 years plan to include gender studies in academia in Pakistan, and the Curriculum Revision Committee, that is CRC, which was established at that time, gave recommendations about the way to add gender studies in academia. Its recommendations include addition of gender studies in exams like CSS. This committee recommended to immediately add the subject gender studies in the competitive exams so that the subject may come in mainstream of study. Second one, active collaboration between different departments. As the gender studies was evolving at that time, so the committee recommended that there should be active collaboration among different departments to launch the new subject gender studies in academia. Third one, Urdu translation of the available material on gender studies. As gender studies had evolved in West years before in Pakistan, so all the material available on the subject was written in English language. So this committee recommended to translate all that material in Urdu language to make it understandable for the common man of Pakistan. Fourth one, HEC should create special fund. The committee recommended that Higher Education Commission should allocate special fund for this new subject, as this was a new addition in the academia in Pakistan. So these were few recommendations of this committee which were presented to bring the gender studies as a subject in academia. Center for Excellence for Women Studies, that is CEWS. Center of Excellence for Women Studies also played a vital role in mainstreaming the subject gender studies in its early stages. It was also established in 1989. It was established in University of Karachi with the aim to focus on the women studies. It started MPhil in 2002 and PS program in 2004. Alam-e-Niswan. Alam-e-Niswan is a research journal about women issues and problems, etc. Research is regarding gender studies which are conducted in academia are often published in this journal. It was first time issued in 1994 and since then it is being published twice a year. This journal played an important role in addition of gender studies in academia. Now we will see that where are gender studies programs currently being taught. University of Sindh Jamshoro is offering gender studies since 1994. Alam-e-Iqbal Open University has this department since 1997. Similarly, Fauji Foundation Women University Rawalpindi has also this department. University of Balochistan, Punjab University Lahore, Peshawar University and Qaid-e-Azam University Islamabad have proper departments of gender studies and are women's studies currently in the country. Gender studies as an optional subject. The subject gender studies has so flourished in Pakistan currently that other than proper departments of gender studies, the subject is also being taught and offered as an additional and or optional subject in various other disciplines like BS English, IR, Sociology, Psychology and others. So students of other disciplines are also studying this subject as an additional subject currently in various educational institutions in the country. Conclusion. We can conclude the topic gender studies in Pakistan by saying that before 1989, gender studies was not there in Pakistan. It started in 1989 and became part of academia in Pakistan. With the passage of time, the subject kept on flourishing and reached on its current situation when this subject is being taught at various universities in country as a proper discipline. Besides this, researches are being published in journals on this subject. Work on journalistic and academic writings on this subject is also going on. Subject has been added in competitive exams like CSS and others. The status of the subject has been improved to the extent that other disciplines also include this subject in their outline. In short, we can say that the subject gender studies has been established as a proper discipline in Pakistan now. So this was all about the status of gender studies in Pakistan. This was all from today's video. Lectures on gender studies will be continued in coming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Goodbye.